Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class. Today, let us begin with English 1 new chapter 10 Countable and Uncountable Nouns. Open your English 1, page number 29. Countable and uncountable nouns. We know that nouns can also be countable and uncountable. Remember, countable nouns are those nouns that we can count using numbers. For example, 4 apples, 6 boys, 7 cats, 2 schools, 30 women. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are those which we can count in numbers. Example, 4 apples, boys, 6 boys, 7 cats, etc. Next, uncountable nouns are those that we cannot count with numbers. For example, water, milk, sugar, air and oil. What are uncountable nouns? These nouns which we cannot count with numbers. For example, water. Can we count water in numbers? No. Can we count air in numbers? No. So, these are called uncountable nouns. For uncountable nouns, we can say 1 glass of water, 3 cartons or bottles of milk, but we cannot say 4 water, 7 milk. Can we say that way? 7 milk, 4 water? No, we have to say 1 glass of water. So, it is uncountable nouns. For uncountable nouns, we use terms like a little, a lot of and some to show quantity. For countable nouns, we use a, and, some or any. Now, amen. Fill in these blanks with uncountable nouns using the picture clues. Here they have given the pictures. We have to identify and write them in the blanks. First, a drop of dash. You can see in the picture it is water. So, a drop of water. Second, a bar of chocolate. Third, a spoonful of dash. What is there in a spoon? Yes, it is sugar. A spoonful of sugar. Fourth, a shower of dash. In the picture, you can see it is raining. Yes, so a shower of rain. Fifth, a few grains of dash. Yes, it is rice. A few grains of rice. Sixth, a jar of dash. You can see there is a bottle and on the bottle there is written jam. So, it is jam. Next, seventh, a loaf of bread. There is a bread slice and a bread. So, it is called a loaf of dash. Yes, it is bread. A loaf of bread. Eighth, a cup of dash. A cup of coffee. Next, be men. Write C for countable nouns and U for uncountable nouns in these blanks. First, money. Can we count money in numbers? Yes, so it is countable. Next, tea. Can you count tea in numbers? No, it is uncountable. Third, song. Yes, we can count. It is countable. Fourth, gold. Can you count gold in numbers? No, it is uncountable. 5. Dog. Yes, you can count. It is countable. 6. Page. Yes, you can count the pages. It is countable. 7. Sugar. Can you count sugar in numbers? No, so it is uncountable. 8. Water. Can you count water in numbers? No. So, it is uncountable. 9. Photos. Yes, it is countable. 10. Rice. Can you count rice in numbers? No, it is uncountable. 11. Teachers. Yes, countable. 12. Milk. Can you count milk in numbers? No, it is uncountable. 13. Can you count minute in numbers? Yes, it is countable. 14. Luggage. Can you count luggage? Yes, it is countable. 15. Air. Can you count Air in numbers? No, it is uncountable. 16. Bottle. Can you count bottle in numbers? Yes, it is countable. C. Rohan's mother asked him to buy some food items for the house. She gave him a shopping list. He bought exactly what she had asked him to buy. Here are the items that he bought. Can you guess what his mother might have written in the shopping list? Look at this picture and make a shopping list of the same. Remember to use a little, a lot of, or some for uncountable nouns. Students, you have to make a list. You can see in the picture there are some things, so you have to write the names of these things. Write this in your homework book. Only C main. Students, let us move on to 11th chapter, Nouns Number. We have learned earlier that nouns can be singular and plural. They can name one item or many items. Students, as I have explained singular and plural in my previous chapter, the magic coins, English 2. So let me explain in short. Singular nouns means only one thing or one item. Plural nouns means more than one thing or more than one item. Okay, let us move to A main. Underline the singular nouns and circle the plural nouns in these sentences. First, there were no flowers in the garden. Circle flowers because many flowers. Underline garden, single garden. Second, my friends came with a book to my house. Circle friends because many friends. Underline house, only one house. So, third, Rano had a few books, mug, paper clips and a mouth organ in his bag. Here, circle books because many books. Underline mug, only one mug. Students, circle paper clips. It is one word, so you have to circle both. And a mouth organ. Here, underline mouth organ, one single, and a bag, one. Fourth, the cars were parked along the street for the customers. Cars, many cars, circle. Street, one street, underline. And customers, circle, many customers. Fifth, a little pup played with kittens in the porch. Underline puppy, single. Kittens, circle because there are many. Underline porch, it is single. Here students, porch means a shelter in front of a building. Sixth, the juice glasses were kept on the table with fruits, cake and sandwiches. Underline juice because it is only one type of juice. Glasses, circle because many glasses. Table, underline, one table. Circle fruits, many fruits. Underline cake, one single cake. Circle sandwiches because there were many sandwiches. Seventh, all the ladies assembled to hear the announcement by the speaker. Circle ladies because many ladies. Underline speaker because there was only one speaker. Eighth, he ironed his shirt but left the other clothes on the hanger. Underline shirt, it is a single shirt, and circle clothes because there are many clothes. Then underline a hanger, it is single hanger. Next, B main. Write the plural forms for each of these words. We make plurals in different ways. By adding yes to most nouns. For example, apple, apples, fruit, fruits. Then by adding es to words ending in s, ss, ch, sh and x. For example, box. So we are adding es, boxes. Brush, brushes, we are again adding es. Then by replacing f and fe with ves in words ending in f and fe respectively. In the end of the word, if we have f or fe, in place of these two words we are going to use ves. For example, life. So in place of fe we are adding ves. Life, lives. Then wolf, wolves. Yes, can you see? In place of f we have added ves, wolves. Then by replacing y with ies in words ending in y. For example, lily, lilies. Can you see? In place of y I have added ies, that is lilies. Again lady, in place of y again ladies, we are adding ies, ladis, ladies. Now let us go with the main. First one, lamp, lamps, we are adding es. Second, knife. So in place of fe we are adding ves, knives. Third, match, matches, we are adding es. Fourth, wolf. In place of f we are adding ves, wolves. Next, country. Fifth one is country. So in place of y we are adding ies, that is countries. Sixth, loof. Again in place of f we are adding ves, loofs. Seventh, fox, foxes. Eighth, dish, dishes. I hope you understood this, children. Let us go with the seamen. Write the singular forms for each of these words. First one, pitches, pitch. Second, mice, mouse. Third, churches, church. Fourth, daisies, daisy. Fifth, elves, elf. Sixth, tomatoes, tomato. Seventh, people, person. Eighth, halves, half. Next, D-men. Rewrite these sentences by changing the highlighted nouns into the plural forms. Students, here they have given you highlighted words. They are in singular form. We have to change them into plural form. I will be giving you the answers. You have to rewrite the sentence in your classwork books. Okay, first one. The parrot ate the chili kept on the terrace. Here parrot we have to change it as parrots, chili, chilies. So the sentence is the parrots ate the chilies kept on the terrace. You have to rewrite this sentence in your CW, not only the highlighted words. Okay. Second, the child was happy to meet his new teacher. The child was happy to meet his teachers. Highlighted word is teacher, so we have to write as teachers. Third, the mouse ran through the corridor, and the highlighted word is mouse. We have to make it mice. The mice ran through the corridor. Fourth, the child complained about the aching tooth. So child is highlighted and we have to write as children. Tooth is also highlighted. Write it as teeth. Fifth, the farmer went to the market with the ox, and the word is oxen. Sixth, the woman walked in the garden with the child. Woman will become woman and child will become children. The woman walked in the garden with the children. Seventh, the police caught the thief in time. Thief will become thieves. The police caught the thieves in time. Eighth, the army marched towards the cantonment. Here army becomes armies. You have to write the armies marched towards the cantonment. E. Rewrite these sentences by changing the highlighted nouns from plural to singular forms. You have to change from plural form to the singular forms. Okay, the first one, the flies sat on the fruits. Highlighted word is flies and fruits. So flies will become fly. Fruits will become fruit. The fly sat on a fruit. Next, second, the children sat on the chairs. Children will become child. Chairs will become chair. The child sat on the chair. Third, the last flowers fell from the trees. Flowers will become flower. Trees will become tree. So, the last flower fell from the tree. Next, fourth, the men filled the buckets with water. Men will become man. Buckets will become bucket. The man filled the bucket with water. Fifth, the babies played with the puppies. Babies will become baby. Puppies will become puppy. So, the baby played with the puppy. Sixth, the cows ate the potatoes from the fields. Cows will become cow. Potatoes will become potato. Fields will become field. So, the answer is the cow ate the potato from the field. Seventh, he kept the brushes in the glasses after painting. Brushes will become brush. Glasses will become glass. So, the answer is he kept the brush in the glass after painting. Eighth, the open windows made the mosquitoes come inside. Windows will become window. Mosquitoes will become mosquito. So, the answer is the open window made the mosquito come inside. Students, write D and E main in your classwork book. F. Fill in these blanks using the plural forms of the nouns given in the brackets. Students, they have given singular words in the bracket. You have to convert them into plural and write in the blanks. First one, the dash were lined across the street. House. So, you have to write as houses. Second, yellow dash looked beautiful in the field. Tree. Yellow trees looked beautiful in the field. Third, the dash in these books are interesting to read. Story. Stories. The stories in the book are interesting to read. Fourth, there were dash in the guava orchard. Monkey. There were monkeys in the guava orchard. Fifth, the dash were bathing in the pond. Buffalo. The buffaloes were bathing in the pond. Sixth, my art teacher asked me to keep the dash in separate satchels. Brush. Brush will become brushes. So, my art teacher asked me to keep the brushes in separate satchels. Seventh, I could not sleep the whole night because of dash. Mosquito. Mosquito will become mosquitoes. I could not sleep the whole night because of mosquitoes. Eighth, the dash were empty as everyone was busy watching the match. Street. Street will become streets. The streets were empty as everyone was busy watching the match. This is the end of 2 chapters. I hope you understood. Go through properly. Thank you.